How to change language in BeReal. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to change language in BeReal. So there is no functions available in the BeReal app that you can change language. So when you open up your BeReal application, you could find no such option as to change language, right? So what you need to do is you have to use the device's settings. So open up settings onto your device and you just want to go ahead and look for BeReal app onto your device. And then what here you need to do is from the list, if you could find language, you could go and make changes. If not, what you want to do is you have to change the device's default language. So basically for that, you just want to go ahead and look for the section where it says system, right? There comes the language and reasons, select that, and then go to system language and change the language that you want to convert it accordingly. And this way you'll be able to change language in BeReal. And like I already mentioned, this is going to change the entire device's language. Now there is no specific features available in the BeReal app, so you just have to manage or go with this option only. So with that being said, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.